This is one of the easiest songs you're going to learn, and by the end of this lesson, you should be sounding like this. And if you haven't already worked it out, that one is Billie Eilish's cover of Hotline Bling. It's really great because there's only 2 chords you need to know, so it's really great for beginners, and you should already know those chords, but if not, I'll show you them in a second. There's also a really simple strumming pattern for you to learn with a little bit of swing to it as well, so it's quite nice. So check out the chords here. We're in standard tuning first off, so make sure you're in tune first, and then we can get into the chords, which are going to be a D minor. Alright, so that's from the 4th to the 1st string. We're not playing 5th and 6th string. So open 4th, 2nd fret of the 3rd, 3rd fret of the 2nd, and then 1st fret of the 1st string. So that's our D minor. And then we've got an A minor, which is going to be from the 5th to the 1st string. Okay, open 5th, 2nd fret of the 4th and 3rd, 1st fret of the 2nd, and then open 1st. So D minor, that's 4 strings, and then our A minor is 5 strings. Okay, you can just mute that 6th string with your thumb if you want to, otherwise you have to be a little bit more accurate with your pick. I prefer just muting it because it's pretty easy there. Alright, now strumming pattern's just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Alright, so it's pretty simple. I'll go through that slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, and you can hear there's a little bit of swing there. It's not just up, down, up, up, down, up. It's not straight there. It's going up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so make sure you can play along with that before we get into actually playing the chords. So let's just play that on a D minor 4 times. So up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, and then that would be where we move on to our A minor. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then back to a D minor. And then here is going to be our only change in this chord progression, where we go to an A minor again, but just 1 down strum there, and let that ring out. So it should be D minor, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, A minor. Same strumming pattern. D minor again. And then ready for our A minor, down strum. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pick back up on the D minor. Okay, so let's play through that whole progression twice now so you can get the hang of it. So you might want to play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if this song has been a good difficulty for you, or maybe you're just enjoying learning lots of easy songs with simple chords, I've got plenty more songs for you to learn with this free resource, so check them out there with simple chords as well. Otherwise, that's our whole lesson for Hotline Bling.